by Kyung. I'm going to tell you about chemical engineer with 4 points. The first one is what chemical engineers do. And second, the reasons I choose to be a chemical engineer. And third one is the jobs I can get with chemical engineering degree. And the last one is the requirements to be a chemical engineer. First, what chemical engineers do. Chemical engineers' work is more about process, unlike chemists. They usually focus on principles. Chemical engineers create, develop, and apply the process and changes of chemical structure, physical state, or temperature. To be specific, they convert oil into cosmetics or petroleum products, or they manufacture paper or food additives or microchips. Also, chemical engineers are problem solvers. They make things work better, more efficiently, quicker, and less expensively. The reason I choose to be a chemical engineer is because in Korea, in high school, we separate the class into 2 parts. One is for the natural science field and one is for the liberal arts field. In natural science field, we study mathematics more profoundly than liberal arts does. And we study physics, chemistry, and biology and earth science instead of studying history, economy, or politics. And because I studied in natural science field and chemistry was my favorite subject, so I'm thinking chemical engineering is interesting, but I don't want to be a chemist because it sounds like boring. And also, it's lucrative.
It's lucrative, nice one.
Yeah, it's a good way to earn a lot of money. You may think I'm materialistic, but I'm the one who think the money is necessary to live my own life. So I choose to be a chemical engineer. The jobs I can get with chemical engineering degree is, if you have a chemical engineering degree, you can study biotechnology, or you can work in oil and natural gas industry, or paper manufacturer company. Or also you can be aerospace engineer or nuclear engineer. If I get chemical engineering degree, I want to work in oil and natural company or natural gas company, or I want to be aerospace engineer. The requirements to be a chemical engineer are the first one is solid background in engineering principles. As in every field, you have to have basic knowledge to study more or solve more complicated problems. I think having solid background in engineering, it's basic to be a chemical engineer. And the second requirement is knowledge combined with wide range of skills and experience. For example, if I want to be an aerospace engineer, I have to have knowledge about elevation or about the skies or the space. And if I have to have knowledge about space, then I need to know about physics. So like this, you have to know a wide range of knowledge. And lastly, you have to have ability to apply your knowledge into real world. If you want to invent or provide something to the word, you need to know what the word demands. So if you know the demands of the word, then that way you can invent or provide your things into the word. Thank you. To summarize, chemical engineers make things work better, more easily, and the main reason I want to be chemical engineer is it's profitable job, and you can work in the oil and natural gas industry, or paper manufacturer company, or food additive company manufacturing food additives company. And if you want to be chemical engineer, you have to have basic knowledge about chemical engineering principles and wide range of knowledge in diverse fields, and you have to have ability to apply your knowledge into real world. Thank you.